here, you can see we have Mystery and Maricela. Maricela attacked her out to take Mystery to a ride. Then we have this little paddock here. And we have my custom horse. I still don't have a name for her. But yeah, so yeah. And then we have her foal. His name is Bobby. And then we have Chickalinda. And her owner, Prue, is taking her shower. And then we have Sequoia. And I'm not going to tell you every single horse breed because I have a lot of horses and it's going to take a long time. So. And then we have Elliot. And we also have, I don't have an, oh yeah, her name's Cinnamon. Then we have Governor. And we have a little nativity there for Christmas. Then we have snowflakes on the top and then a little sleigh. And here it's just like it's messy right now. It's like our food room. We have hay, rain, apples. We also have some trophies up there, buckets, and yeah. So moving on, we have midnight and this little spot, and we have a little bow. And then here, so I made these doors, new doors on them, but I don't have enough popsicle sticks to do this one. So for now, it's like a little pet area. We have a bunny and its little cage and stuff, and we have our little hamster. Oh, it's a guinea pig. Okay. Okay, and here we have a little pasture. I don't have enough space for all of them, so we just put them there. So we have, I don't have a name for her, but here we have Sadie, our Welsh pony. And then we got Rosie, we got Chance, we got Black Beauty. And we have a little tree here. We're covered with snow and some presents. And outside we have a little leaf. And we got some drums here too. And then we got the stalls. Here we got Cole. Here we have Aquarius and Liberty. And outside the stalls we got some bows in there. And here, okay, we have this brick trailway into the stallion barn. Here we have our golden retriever, our dog, and we don't have a name for him just yet. Then we got here, they don't have doors yet and I have to make them so yeah, here we have Apache, we got Lightning, Jalapeno and his little foal Molly. Then we have Gachita. Then we have Jalapeno and what's his name again? Yeah, we forgot. So then we have Boomerang and Abigail, and we got a little pony, a little full pony, whatever, and we got Zaire there. And here we have little decorations. So we have this little tractor with a tree, and we have our barn cat. We don't have a name for her either. We have trees, a stocking, and another truck full of presents. So here we have the tap room, which is my favorite place. So we have a little band, a little cat with but it's a little, And then we have our castle cat. Here we have a little desk. We got a place where we just keep like brushes and boots and our extra things. We have a tack box, and we have here water trough and some mucking things. And saddles, bridles, and another nativity and a little lantern. Then here we have the barn that our cousin made us. we have 2 reeds. This one keeps falling. And in here we have Willow and Senor Carrots. Here we have Bessie and Splash. And it's decorated with pom-poms. Here is usually a pasture. Usually just keep horses in here, but it looks like it could be an arena. So there is Hazel, and she's riding riding Daisy. Then we have Hunter and well, we don't have a name for her yet. I just call her whatever I want. And we have a water trough over there and some trees. Then we have the poles because they're pole bending right now. And outside the fencing we have this little garland. I wrapped it in the garland and it looks really cute. So here is onto this barn, and here in front we have the quarter horse family. Here is the stallion. We have the 2 foals and the mare. And here we have a little orange tabby cat. So cute. We have a little sleigh with a present and 2 trees. And that side paddock, we have Ranger back there, Spike, and we have Blaze, and his owner is taking him out. And here's the barn. I keep my cowgirl hat on top of it. So in there we have the horses. So here we have Daisy's foal. Her name's Misty. Then we got Sugar and Sammy. We have I don't have a name for the mom donkey yet, but we have Toby there. And we also got Laura. And here's we have brushes and some halters in there, and we have some tack in there. So yeah, and then finally we have Lucky and Spirit coming to watch in the parking lot. We have lights there, and we have her dad and my dog, another dog, and the car. So yeah, you might have noticed that in the other video where the LPS decorated the barn, that our dollhouse was right there and it had nice pretty lights and everything. But the thing is, we kind of moved the dollhouse out of the little room into our room, so we had to change a few little things around. But other than that, this is how it would look like, and I think it's really, really cute. And yeah, but you guys can still check out the other video to see how it originally looked like. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked the tour, and we have some very fun videos planned for you guys this month. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be a part of the berry patch. I said the berry patch. Water streams. And yeah, remember kids, God loves you very much. Bye.